Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Just unpack on the sayings of May over today on the 23rd of May. Ratha's new line, guys, is like, Uvelatin Jibanti, Numavitim, at it's common sense. It's common sense. And when you the other day, I'm say, what common sense? You know, guys, it's that whole thing. Futi gaslighting people, guys. Those things are wrong, eh? So Advocate Ngomezulu was still continuing today to question Lieutenant Colonel Gideon House. Ngomezulu was telling him how he understands the saga about the cell phones. Kelly Kumalo at some stage you 6 numbers. I know Rasa has been saying to Kelly Kumalo is 6 numbers. He had to admit to una 8. Can't you know, guys? There's nothing like that. It's the people who were in the house. The phones that were collected, there were 8. Hey, how can I have 8 phones, guys? No matter YouTube. I can't have 8 phones. Even now one. Although I wanted another one, so that Gizo was my video army with the other one. The other one could be you recorder or do other things. But sometimes there's more on my phone money. It's just like, what are you doing? 8. I was like, guys, there's something there. He had said 6 or that's a Monday. And if you want to bump back up, Galu 6 fucking alo. What is he on about that? Go on. And then Umnisi reported that Umshalele is not coming and he is standing in for her in her absentia. To under 11, Mr. Experience started to tell him about English language busy gaslighting Advocate Mnis. I was just like, Prala can get up. You want to analyze Mr. Experience. And sometimes there's no need. It's just like it's gaslighting. There's no need for that. Guys, we know that. And we know good he's been around, he's seen life, but he doesn't have to say anything. So Ngomezulu continues to question Ukhosige about the cell phones that belongs to number 3. And then Ngomezulu, let's know you can't be talking about number 3. I will be talking about number 3. Why not? You don't even know the story. Can I just finish? The whole thing, guys, I mean, Rata, Yongabanikeza Panti chance to speak. Ngomezulu, guys, ngesizulu wathi ene state ne bazikwaze ngomkhonto wabo when the state omitted what happened at the engine garage when the car stopped them when they were dealing with the AVL report. Baloyi stood up and said, "You are representing accused number 1. So what are you on about? So why are you talking on behalf of number 2?" And then Rata is saying to Advocate Ngomezulu, he must concentrate on number 1 according to Section 1. Ngomezulu was like, I know, but I need you to listen to my communication. What am I trying to explain? You understand? You can't just kambugela and get in my numbers like that. Ngomezulu continued to tell Ukhosuguti, and let me break it down to you and explain to you what I'm talking about here. Ningangeni Lomeni while I'm still busy. Goburasa doesn't. I know what's my problem with him, ne? And I've always said it. With it defense, he doesn't give them a chance to speak. I just never get it. Like he hadn't said it. Like you are inside him. I'm like, why? So he explained himself that they only have confessions from 1 and 2 only. So now he will speak about other accused. And now we are confessions, and it is the ones that they were forced on them. They were choked and chapadi, telongamanzi, all sorts of things. He will speak around the other accused because the accused were speaking to each other, and the fact that is saying, so he's like, can I explain that? They were speaking to each other, and the fact that number 3 was speaking to Kelly to play, that's what they're saying. Talking about him and other accused is about communication. So he's like, I'm communicating here because in the first place, accused number 3 never even spoke to Kelly. Your advocate Mngomezulu was so sarcastic. What as a data analyst when host Gideon Rose, what just throwing around your skills. Cabanga guys. And Mngomezulu has an affidavit that the phone in the phone futhi okuqhamuka ukuthi it wasn't even his ekabhuti wakhe omncane that phone. It's his younger brother's phone kahle. And then there were 2 phone numbers zikaKelly. So which was kuphela number is that on the affidavit how Mngomezulu was trying to explain it. It's just 2 phone numbers which are one of them is an 082 number. Which he said in court was busy good. These are the 082 numbers. Ngizing nani affidavit yakon ezikaKelly got from her. They didn't get eight phones gubezaki. They were other people's phones, the ones that were in the house on the day Senzo died. So Mngomezulu yo ubukisa ngabantu guys court. The thing is with Mngomezulu, you need to be clear about your ndabas, otherwise you're gonna have problems, eh? If you don't know ndabas go by. He even told the host, listen here, you haven't got to in ndabas. I know my notes, I know my things. What's your host Baba? You can go check your data, cause Kelly and accused number 3 never spoke on the 26th at all. And when you've got phone, you are a data analyst, so go check. Then what happened on the day, on the 26th of October 2014? I have 337 pages in Mngomezulu. Also, Mngomezulu, no, it's fine. We can actually continue. Then when you have time, you can read from there. Usfundele when in at your own time. Yo, guys, you are so sarcastic to him. He was just enjoying. Those things when you have an opportunity, you'll find what I'm talking about now. Was a team Mngomezulu. What did Brigadier Gininda tell you about the people that were in the house? That's when he spoke about those 8 cell phones. Mngomezulu told Rata straight what 205 does not require common sense. After Rata, this is common sense. No, it doesn't. Why would you need a common sense for 205? You need to stop with this line. This is new line. Common sense. I'm just like, well, what is this common sense for? Up and getting in a way. Amanga estate the affidavit from Umthetho Captain Omunye Owayebizi when the case actually started. There's an affidavit apparently that tells us about these 2 phones zikaKelly. Think they are confusing cell phones. It's 8 cell phones. Logo I've already told you. With the 8 cell phones and 6 cell phones. I was like, he must also use his common sense. That's guys, because then it was actually clarified. When they held in, like they were fighting a bit, Urata no Mngomezulu around the cell phone thing. Abubaloyi Azame ati no, I don't know what my learner friend is talking about. No, bro, let's just tell the truth. I think Mngomezulu is on the tip. You remember the tip last month when he was busy with saying that him Kelly Khumalo must come bazgahle no longer wabulala. He's going there now. Like ukhathalele into go accuse all of them. He's like, can we concentrate on 375 and the people who are in the house? He's coming slowly. I can see him. This is why he's telling Khosi, you are lying. You need to stop with this. This is AVL reports. There's nothing there. Those things that never happen. These people never had phones. How can you have phones? Like, what is that all about? The tray is gone. I can see him. I don't know what you guys think, but you must just let me know what you think. What can you please stop? Can you just tell the truth? Oh, got to like a court. Oh, that's happened today. He was trying to fight with Mngomezulu. Mngomezulu was quickly, and Mngomezulu was very calm. Quickly, please, can you just like ungege? Can I just continue? So accused number 2 was not in forced arrest on the day Senzo was killed, guys. Yeah, can we just move on from that? I don't have a 205 film of the accused. The number 1 and 3 did not know each other on the 26th of October. Before then, they didn't know each other. I didn't mention that last week. Abanye bazane because of this case. When were they planning and plotting then? Oh, guys, can we just bop our people that we're supposed to bop our guys? Like, we're busy wasting time. And I really don't get it. Kumlana the other day, I even said, what Ramaphosa knows about this case? What is it done? We helped him, he was. We understand. Instead of a lot of judge Ratangas, finally said, go judge Rata, no JP, one letter, you judge president. To do what with him? So I started again to talk over Mngomezulu and Mgena Emlonyeni as well. Mngomezulu said to Rata, can the court be patient? Can the court be patient, please? And he also told Rata, I don't want to fight him in a dialogue with you. Umngomezulu etshela uRata, in fact, it was hectic, guys, telling host that your 2018 evidence is irrelevant in this court. I see next. You understand? How is it going to help us? And then, and Avelato host, no, I actually don't have a law degree. What to? You don't have to have a law degree, but those people are abazani, just move on. Udlalile ngohosi uMngomezulu bebukisa ngaye and udlile ngamabhayibheli wababo abantu. Phela uMngomezulu akasinesimahla as we know him. Host lied about accused number 1 and the fact that he had a cell phone with him. Host said he won't comment, yeah, because he was asked by Brigadier Yakininda to help Steyn. Buyile futhi with deadline that Katazayo. Ubusy udata analyst but has no document that the phone was recorded. The phone number is for Lungisani Ndwandwe, who is the younger brother, and it's like I said, yeah, accused number 1. When it's break, Balo is all alone, he has no one, he was a homeland jacket. Ramusipili is always shaking, guys. But Shemi did well as well, Ramusipili. He knows the stuff. Remember, I've been saying, Ramusipili, when it comes to my AVL, my data analyst, he'll tell you things of feel good, you know. He knows the stuff. He's like, so which tower was that one? Ramusipilo was good. He shakes, and then I don't know. I'm not sure. No muksaba. Oh, what is it? Ramusipilo also found Ukhosi is lying about the phones, and that was found in his possession. Yeah, Ntanzi. Ntanzi was also laughing, guys, in court. Even yesterday, he was laughing on Ntanzi. I just forgot to tell you. I was just like, I won't dance and we are like, guys, we are just playing here. Like, Ntanzi's phone were confiscated, apparently. The day they were arrested. The arresting police took the phones. So how do you have a phone in a stogisi? Can someone please balance it up? So now, which phones did he have? Amanga Ntanzi was also cracking up on the side, wearing a watch. I was like, guys, how are you wearing a watch? A court. Can they tell something when you're supposed to be staying in jail, in prison? How does it work? Things were not allowed in jail. Yabona umabhena wafela lento, guys. That's what I said. Then Lena phone, because apparently umabhena was called. Amanga like umabhena was called to come and check on the phones as per Ramusipile, and then Uguti accused number 2 was his phone level and Stanley's phone, and accused number 1 also had the phone in. These are Brigadier Gininda's phones, guys. I said it even yesterday. And how he's used this power to abuse people. Uramusipile called Gigi a decorated detective. He was like, when Katusa say decorated detective before you became a data analyst, he was just telling him, you know what, I know the processes, I know how it works, and yet you can't tell me umuntu mam arrest. You should know that. I need to wage waba decorated detective before you became a data analyst and a lieutenant and a colonel in one. So before that, you know how it works, and it's mangabu muntebosh. And they gonna be booked him. They take their belongings first. A phone was actually taken. Let's find out and he had no phone with him. So basically Gigi Hilden host lied about the phone that was found on Ntanzi. And then there's another one that's coming out angazi phone yathathwa the late Mabena and Mohane from Undanzi. And then at some stage, Undanzi was sitting, he received SMSs, sitting in the car. Ramusipula was like, "Bra, like, what are you talking about? There's nothing like that." But as Ramusipula he was all over the place. So for me, it ends there, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your support and the love. Thank you.